Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got an exciting review lined up for you as we dive into one of the most iconic cars of all time, the 2025 Jaguar XKE Series 2 Coupe. This is a modern take on a classic, blending timeless elegance with contemporary technology and performance. If you're a fan of British engineering and luxury, this car will surely impress you. So, let's take a closer look at the interior, exterior performance, and the price of this stunning machine. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The Jaguar XKE Series 2 Coupe is an automotive work of art. Its smooth, flowing lines, long bonnet, and curvaceous silhouette are instantly recognizable. The 2025 model retains the essence of the original Series 2 design, but with some modern touches that make it even more striking. The front end features a wide, aggressive grille with sleek LED headlights that give the car a bold presence on the road. The sculpted bodywork and the iconic rear end, complete with its signature round taillights, scream elegance and style. The body is crafted using lightweight aluminum, which not only enhances the car's performance, but also pays homage to the car's racing heritage. The 2025 model is available in a range of classic British colors, including deep greens, rich blues, and metallic silvers, making it even easier to find a version that suits your style. Moving inside, the cabin of the XKE Series 2 Coupe is a masterclass in luxury and craftsmanship. Jaguar has blended its rich heritage with cutting-edge technology to create an interior that's both functional and indulgent. The first thing you'll notice when you step inside is the quality of the materials. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with hand-stitched accents, and the dashboard is a seamless blend of polished wood and soft-touch surfaces. There's also a touch of chrome here and there, adding a bit of sparkle without detracting from the sophisticated ambience. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed, with adjustable settings to ensure maximum comfort for drivers of all sizes. The steering wheel is beautifully wrapped in leather, offering a firm yet comfortable grip. And it has all the controls you need at your fingertips, including multimedia options and cruise control. Behind the wheel, the digital instrument cluster gives you a modern touch, offering a customizable display that's both sleek and easy to read. You also get a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, all housed in a minimalist center console. One of the most impressive features of the interior is the level of attention to detail. Jaguar has truly focused on making the cabin feel luxurious, from the ambient lighting that creates a relaxed atmosphere to the premium sound system that ensures every drive is accompanied by perfect sound quality. Now let's talk about the performance. The 2025 Jaguar XKE Series 2 Coupe doesn't just look good, it drives like a dream. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.2-liter inline-six engine, producing an impressive 280 horsepower. Paired with a smooth-shifting manual transmission or an optional automatic, Jaguar has engineered the suspension and chassis to provide a perfect balance between performance and comfort, ensuring a smooth ride even on twisty roads or highways. The XKE Coupe handles like a true sports car. It's nimble and responsive, with a precise steering feel that lets you feel every twist and turn of the road. The acceleration is exhilarating, going from 0 to 60 mph in just over 6 seconds, thanks to its lightweight build and powerful engine. What's really impressive, though, is the braking system. The car feels planted and stable, with exceptional stopping power when you need it. Jaguar has also made sure the driving experience isn't just about raw power. The XKE Series 2 Coupe offers a refined ride quality, with a suspension that absorbs bumps and imperfections on the road without sacrificing the car's agility. Whether you're taking it out for a spirited drive or cruising down the highway, the car feels composed and connected. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. The 2025 Jaguar XKE Series 2 Coupe is a premium vehicle, and its price tag reflects that. The starting price is around $85,000, which is a considerable investment. But when you take into account the level of craftsmanship, performance, and heritage that comes with the car, It's definitely worth it for true enthusiasts and collectors. The price can rise depending on the specific trim level and optional features you choose, but even the base model offers an extraordinary driving experience and luxury. In conclusion, the 2025 Jaguar XKE Series 2 Coupe is a perfect blend of modern luxury, performance, and timeless design. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this car delivers on all fronts. From its sleek exterior to its opulent interior and exhilarating performance, the XKE is a true masterpiece. And while it comes with a premium price tag, it's clear that Jaguar has created something special that will turn heads and provide years of driving enjoyment. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more automotive content, and leave a comment letting me know what you think about the 2025 Jaguar XKE Series 2 Coupe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.